Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the PHP. Today we are going to learn about the caching in the PHP. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So what is caching? Caching in the PHP is an important performance optimization. So basically why we are using the caching for the performance. Like suppose we have a number of API calls and we don't want to call again and again. So we are going to call API at once and cache it into wherever it is to be. And then we are going to serve it from there, right? So this is how the caching works. Okay, so once we call the API, then we are going to store, and then we check the time. If it is valid, then we are going to serve it from the cache, and if it is expire the time, then we are going to again hit the API and then store it into the cache, and then we are going to serve it from the cache, right? So let's have a look how we are going to do that. You can use the cache by storing it in a file. So currently we are going to file based caching, which is simple and the useful for the smaller projects without complex caching requirements. So let's go with the file based caching. Okay, so start we have to go with this one. This is error reporting and all. So first of all, we are going to make a directory that is cache, and post cache.json we are going to write the data. Okay, the cache time you have to mention whether it's to be 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever this is up to you. Check if the cache directory exists or not. If not, then we have to create the cache directory. Creates this will make directory will create the cache directory with the permissions 0755. Okay, after that check if the cache file exists and it's still valid, so we are going to check it. Okay, after that, if it is valid, then we are going to serve it from the cache, else we are going to make a API call. Okay, so is readable cache form, then we are going to read from the cache and exit. Okay, if the cache file not exists, then we are going to print it the cache file is not readable. Okay, and last, the cache is stale or doesn't exist, fetching fresh data. Okay, so here we have the fetch data from the API. So here we are getting the data from the API. This is JSON placeholder, that is fake REST APIs. Okay, and the response equal to false, then there is an issue with fetching the data. The last, check if the response is empty. If it is empty, fetch response is empty. Save the response to the cache file. So once we call the API, we have to store the data into the cache file. So here we go with file put cache file response equal to false, error in writing the cache files. Okay, and then header content type should be application.json and echo the response. Okay, so here we go with this one, right? This is done. Okay, so this is all done, right? So here we're going to get the contents, and here save the response into the file put contents. Okay, this is done. Let's use it, like how the things goes on. Okay, so here we go with this one, and currently let's modify something over here. So okay, so here it is written that serve from the cache or serve from the API or what. Okay, so let's see this. So we will call first PHP file. Okay, hit it, and this is, here we go with this one, just hide it. So fresh data is, so here you can say cache is stale or does not exist, so fetch fresh data. So we are fetching the fresh data. This is not from the cache file, right? So I think in the folders, if you go to the cache post, and if you open, so data is written here. You can see all the data is written in the cache sheet. Okay, cache file, JSON file. Okay, after this again I'm going to hit it. Let's clear it, and let's, now the data should be come from the cache file easily, so fast, serve from the cache. Again I will if clear this one in just seconds. Okay, you can see served from the cache. So this is how you can implement the caching using the file based in PHP. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.